If you live in the Collingwood area, we offer 24-hour-a-day, 7 days a week, sump pump or emergency plumbing services. Just call or text Drain right now at 705-309-0758. Groundwater intrusion is no match for Liberty Pump's wide array of professional-grade sump pumps. Liberty's heavy-duty sump pumps are available with 1/4, 1/3, half, and 3/4 horsepower motors. With over 7 innovative models to choose from, these robust sump pumps are built to last. Made from either heavy cast iron or spun aluminum for cool operation, these sump pumps feature energy-efficient motor design, which uses less electricity, while still providing high output performance. 2 switch options: use either a vertical magnetic float, or a wide-angle float. In the event of a power outage, our battery backup option is the perfect solution. Or choose the very popular water-powered sump jet, which needs no electricity whatsoever to operate. No matter which model is right for you, every sump pump is backed by Liberty's quality assurance and commitment to service. For 24-hour-a-day, 7 days a week, sump pump or emergency plumbing services, call or text Drain right now at 705-309-0758.